High above the Savanna, a pair of secretary birds have chosen their
And
site.
birds making nests with steep
Stick
branches
by stick, a home
and
takes shape.
weighing their
Strong,
legs and
sturdy,
looking at the
ready for
nature
what? And they
and
lay an egg.
watching it. A second vibe quietly appears.
Taking turns, never leaving alone, always watching. Now, something stirs inside. Crack getting bigger in evening. The shell begins to give way. Now it's time to feed and bring hunt.
Tiny battle ready competitive week. 5 days changes remarkable.
5 days, 10 days, the change is remarkable.
They grow fast, there's no time to waste.
Stronger every day, finding their feet. Trying to fly in the air, checking their wings, going and coming back. Suddenly, a baboon appears, but the instincts of parents pulled him back.
Okay. Thanks God, steps are safe. A baboon is not today. Okay, weeks of crime, and it goes to a weeks of pain.
A leap of faith. Their parents wait just above in the sky. And finally, the family is reunited in the grassland, and their parents are teaching how to hunt, how to survive. Please like
And subscribe
to
our
our AI
channel.
channel.